Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make deviled eggs. First, let's get those eggs perfectly boiled. Place your fresh, large eggs in a single layer in a pot, then cover them with 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Let the eggs sit in that hot water for exactly 12 minutes to ensure a firm yolk. Once your eggs have cooked, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling much easier. Let them chill for at least 5 minutes. Gently tap and roll each egg to crack the shell, then carefully peel them under cool, running water. Finally, slice each peeled egg in half lengthwise and scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Now for the delicious filling. Take those scooped out yolks and mash them thoroughly with a fork until they are completely smooth. Next, add 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Season the mixture with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Mix everything together until it's perfectly combined and wonderfully creamy. It's time to assemble our deviled eggs. You can either spoon the creamy yolk mixture back into the egg white halves or use a piping bag for a more elegant presentation. Once filled, garnish your deviled eggs with a sprinkle of paprika or some fresh chives for a pop of color and flavor. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. Arrange them beautifully on a platter and serve chilled for the perfect appetizer. Enjoy your homemade deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.